AI video models are coming out every day, and it's getting harder to know which ones are actually free, which ones are limited, which ones are scams, and which ones are worth using. So today, I'll give you a fast breakdown of the 4 best free AI video options I've found, so you don't have to waste time testing 100 tools yourself. And I'll also show you something more useful than another model list, a tool that lets us build our own video planning app for YouTube or social media. We'll be able to upload a script or a video idea and get a structured plan with the prompts we need for each clip, so creating content becomes much more automatic. I chose these options after months of testing, and each one is strong for a different use case. So even if the first one looks perfect, stay for the rest, because another one may fit your next video better. Better tools could appear tomorrow, so if you don't want to miss them, subscribe and leave a like. The first one is Symphony, from the creators of TikTok. It lets us create all kinds of videos for free, including text to video, image to video, and tools I'll show you in a moment, like avatars that can narrate any sentence we give them. That makes it useful for regular content and even for ads, because Symphony is especially strong with product videos. To use it, open the Symphony website. I'll leave all the links for the tools I'm using today on my website in the description, along with free text and image AI tools you can use. I'll show you exactly where to find everything at the end of the video. Once we're inside, the first option to test is text to video. You add a prompt and it generates high-quality clips. This platform uses credits, but that doesn't matter at all because they give us 1,000 free credits every week. And believe me when I say I've been testing it for more than 2 months and I've never been able to use all the credits. I can go to the library, scroll down, and you'll see I've generated a lot of content, and I've still never run out of credits. That's why I wanted to include it anyway, but I promise you, the text-to-video model is the least interesting part of this tool. Let me show you the best part. To keep this from becoming just a list of tools, we're going to build the system I mentioned earlier while we test them. Open Base 44. The goal is to create an app where we upload a script or video idea and get a structured plan with every prompt needed for each clip. I'll make it customizable, and I'll leave the prompt on my website so you can build your own version with a few clicks. Once we're inside Base 44, we'll see a fairly simple interface. If we scroll down a little to Community Templates, we can see that it can create almost anything. You can open one of them if you need inspiration, but like I said, I already have everything prepared. On the main screen, turn on Plan first. Instead of jumping straight into building the app, Base 44 first creates a plan to find the best way to develop each part. With this enabled, we don't need to know anything about code, so don't worry. For the other settings, you can use connectors, upload files, or adjust model options, but we don't need that here. Paste the prompt. I already wrote the instructions in detail, so Base 44 knows how to build the tool we need. You can add extra configuration if you want to make it even more personal, but it already works very well like this. When we send it, Base 44 doesn't build the app immediately. First, it will ask us whether the plan for each part looks right. Since the prompt is already very detailed, it shouldn't need much clarification, but read it carefully, and if everything looks good, click Continue. Now the app starts building. It's a fairly complex app, so it may take a little while, but a few minutes later, here it is. I'll show you how to use it in a moment, but first, let's go back to Symphony, because Agent Mode is the feature that made this tool worth including. With Agent Mode, we can upload a product image and use trends instead of manually trying to write a viral-style prompt. Click Select Trend. Here, we can filter by the region or industry we care about, and it will show us viral videos related to that product. When we choose one, Agent Mode automatically creates a video similar to the viral video we're trying to recreate, but with our product as the main focus. Also, if you know a little about AI models, you'll know that Sora 2 is one of the best models for creating video. When we send it, Symphony doesn't generate the video immediately. It starts by building a plan, first developing the script, then the best visuals, so the final video has the best chance of working.
I was searching for a one-of-a-kind perfume. This isn't just a scent, it's a masterpiece. It smells just as beautiful as it looks. Malva AI is my new signature scent experience.
And now that we have our video, let's go back to the app we just created. Now that we have a place to create clips, open the app and click Create New Project. Add a title, a video topic, and the format. Since we just tested a vertical video platform, choose something like YouTube Shorts in 9:16. Then choose the duration and tone, and if you want, add the target audience, visual style, and any extra ideas. Technically, only the title is required so the project can be saved, but the more detail you add, the better the result will be. Once everything is ready, click Create Project. The app analyzes the script and splits it into simple cards. It tells us how long the video should be, what format it should have, and most importantly, the video prompt we need to generate. It also gives us the exact sentence that each clip should be based on. It repeats that for every sentence it thinks needs its own clip. Depending on the video length, there will be more or fewer cards, but all we have to do is go back to the tool we were using and generate them one by one. But I know many of you don't want to generate vertical videos. You want horizontal content instead. So for that, I'm going to show you a tool that came out just a few days ago, and it is free and completely unlimited for creating very high-quality horizontal videos. Let's open Vibes AI. It can create the clips, but for horizontal content, we need to combine it with Meta AI. So leave Vibes AI open, and now open Meta AI. This is very simple. In a new chat, we'll add prompts, and Meta will generate very high-quality images. Once the images are ready, download them and go back to Vibes AI. Inside Vibes AI, click Create New. In Start Frame, choose to add a new one, click Upload, and upload the image we just created. Then click Add Video, and the horizontal image will be added. Here, we can paste the prompts from the app we built earlier. But the project we created before was for a vertical video, so we'll go back to the dashboard, click New Project, and add the information again. This time, we'll tell it that the video is for a long YouTube video in 16:9 format. Fill in the rest and click Create Project. This gives us the horizontal video plan. One important recommendation: if you don't have a script, ask any text AI. Meta's free thinking mode can write one from your idea, and then you can paste it here so the result is more precise. Now the app gives us all the video prompts. If we go back to Vibes AI, we can paste them here and generate each clip. Depending on your region, you may run into the issue you see on screen, but it's very easy to solve. From this section, right-click and choose this button. At the top, click this button and choose the video you want to download. Click it, and this part will be selected. Double-click it, copy it, and paste it into a new tab. From here, click this part, and we'll be able to download the video without the issue we saw on screen. As an extra, I also want to show you two more AI tools that, together with Symphony and Vibes AI, are the best free options I've found right now. The first one is Google Flow. This tool works like the others. Click New Project, and here we can generate images without limits, and even create characters that we can save. In this section, choose Video, and we can add the character we just created so it always appears in our video. This tool gives us 5 free video generations per day with hyper-realistic sound. So we can download the 5 clips we need or mix them with the clips from the other tools we've already covered. Then, the next day, we can come back and keep generating. The last tool I want to show you is Arena. This one is much more limited, but in the video section, it gives us free access to expensive text-to-video models like Cadence 2.0 and Gemini OmniFlash. When we add a prompt, Arena runs 2 random models from that list for free. We only get 2 or 3 generations per day at most, but at least one of the 2 is always very strong, so I'd use Arena for one epic clip, then rely on the other tools for the rest of the video.
And if you want the app we created earlier to understand more models so it can recommend them to you, or if you want to add more features, it's very simple. In the menu on the left, there's a prompt box where we can write any request. If we send it, after a few minutes, the app will add everything. Honestly, Base 44 is perfect for building this kind of system. And if something goes wrong, it can usually fix the problem despite that. Only need to click through the process and check that everything comes out correctly. If you want to try this tool yourself and build your own app, I'll leave the Base 44 link in the description so you can test it. Thanks to Base 44 for sponsoring this video. To get the prompts, the direct links, and access to the free AI tools, go to my website in the description. Open PDF guides, and you'll find the guides for the videos I have published so far. You can download them and access the information from each video, so you can copy the prompts and links without wasting time writing everything manually. You'll also find the free AI chat there. You can ask questions without paying, so it is useful if you want a free chat option for prompts, questions, or quick tests. We also added a model that generates very high-quality images. You only need to sign in and start using it. See you in the next one, and thanks for watching.